Nagaland is battling a major weather disaster as intense rainfall has triggered landslides, flash floods and waterlogging across several districts. Mon district has been the worst affected, where at least 9 people have been confirmed dead after landslides hit multiple locations. 5 people have been injured, while rescue and relief operations are underway. Continuous heavy rains have caused water levels to rise rapidly. Several low-lying areas are submerged and roads are turning into streams. Waterlogging has been reported in multiple parts of the state, disrupting normal life and damaging homes, roads and public infrastructure. Authorities say the landslides were triggered by extreme weather conditions, including heavy downpour and a cloudburst-like event. Mon district recorded 137 millimeters of rainfall, with the IMD warning that heavy rain is likely to continue for the next 2 to 3 days. Now, the NSDMA has reported landslides, flash floods and mudslides in districts including Tunsang, Zonheboto, Shamator, Mokokchung, Longling, Kiphere, Noklak, Mokha and Meluri. In Tyongsang alone, more than 20 houses have been completely damaged, while assessment of losses still continues. Let's take some breaking updates also coming in. Massive rescue and relief operations is underway in Nagaland's Mon district after a deadly landslide. Thousands of people have gathered at the landslide site along with Assam Rifles personnel, the disaster management team of the district and the DEF in Mon. These teams are assisting in search and rescue operations. Authorities and local residents are working together as operations continue at the affected location. Joining me now is a journalist from Mon in Nagaland, Amana Wang. Now is joining us. Amana, thank you very much for joining us. Firstly, you're there in Mon. How is the situation like?
As we speak, the death toll has rose to 10. We just found another body was washed ashore today. A body was recovered at around, I think, about after 12. And the body was found in Tizit subdivision. It was a laborer who was working in a factory here. And the death toll currently stands at 10. And critically injured, like we discussed, is 5 currently battling for life in hospitals across Assam. And the rescue operations have begun from today. And 2 bodies which was still missing till yesterday has been found today, 2 bodies that has been recovered. And now we're getting to know finally as to the casualty and those who have been killed in this tragic accident. So the details are coming in, and like I said, we stand at that toll at 10.
All right.